For this video, all we're going to do is add. We're going to go over two concepts as we practice addition. Our first one in this problem in number 79 is the identity property of addition. What that means is that if we have a number plus 0, it'll give us back that original number. So in this case, we have 0 plus 13. 0 plus 13 is just 13. But here we can really see the property shown. We have 13 plus 0. So any number plus 0 will give us back that original number. In this case, that number is also 13. And for 81 models or shows the commutative property of addition. What that means is it doesn't matter which order you add the addends, the numbers being added together, the result will still be the same. So for example, we have 8 plus 3. We should be able to do this quickly. If not, go ahead and practice these simpler addition facts. It'll help us tremendously in this section. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now the commutative property says we can change the order, then it won't change the result. 3 plus 8 is also 11. For 83, we have 45 plus 33. Now, if you see the problem written horizontally like this, we can rearrange it and write them vertically so they stack up on each other. It'll make it easier to add. We want to make sure that the place values are aligned appropriately. So we have 45. We want the 1s to line up and the 10s to line up so we don't make any errors. So to start this, we add the 1s place together. We add 5 plus 3, and that gives us 8 1s. If we add 4 10s plus 3 10s, that gives us 7 10s, and we have 7 here. We have nothing else to add. So 45 plus 33 is 78. For 85, if we look at 71 plus 28, if we arrange it vertically, 71 plus 28, we want to make sure that the place values are aligned. We have 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. This gives us a total of 99. For 87, we have 26 plus 59. So if we arrange this vertically, 26 plus 59, we can go ahead and add the 1s column together. So we have 6 1s plus 9 1s. That gives us 15. But we can't write 15 in the 1s place. We have 5 1s go here, and we carry the 10. We can see here we have 15, because now we're going to add the 10s place values. For the 10s column, we have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8. We have 8 10s, 5 1s, to give us a total of 85. For 89, we have 64 plus 78. 64 plus 78. So we start off by adding the 1s together. 4 1s plus 8 1s gives us 12. We can't write 12, so we put the 2 1s here, and we carry the 10. We can see here we have 12. Now we're going to add up all of the 10s. We have 1 plus 6 is 7, plus another 7 is 14. We go ahead and put 4 here, and we can carry the 1. Since there's nothing else to add, we can just go ahead and put it right in front. So the sum is 142. For number 91, we have 168 plus 325. 168 plus 325. So if we We'll start off by adding the ones column first. 8 plus 5 is 13. Since 13 is too large, we put the 3 ones here, carry the 10. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Then we have 100 plus 300 gives us 400s. The sum of these two numbers is 493. We look at number 93. We have 584 plus 277. Now we want to start off by adding the ones column together. 4 plus 7 is 11. So we put the ones here and carry the 110. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 7 more is 16. So we have 16 tens. So we put the 6 here and carry the extra 1. So we have 10 tens and 6 tens. We put the 6 here, carry that extra 1. Now we can add up the hundreds. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. We have 8 in the hundreds column. We have a total of 861. For 95, we want to add 832 plus 199. We can start off by adding the ones column first. 2 plus 9 is 11. We put the ones here and we carry the 10. Now we can use the commutative property of addition to change the order in which we add without changing the result. So I see this 1 plus 9 can make 10 very easily. I'm going to add those first. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 3 is 13. We put the 3 here, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Since we don't have any other numbers, we can just finish writing that out. So this is 1031. For 97, we have 6,358 plus 492. We have 6,358 plus 492. And we want to line up the columns so we don't add the wrong numbers together. We add up 8 and 2 first in the ones column. 8 and 2 is 10. We have 0 ones and we carry the 10. Using the commutative property of addition, I'm going to add 1 and 9 first. 1 and 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8. Then we have nothing to add with 6, so we just have the 6,000s right there. So we have a sum of 6,850. For 99, if we add 3,740 plus 18, let's give ourselves more room, plus 18,593. So on this problem, we want to be careful to line up the thousands place, because it would be easy to misalign them and add the wrong digits together. We'll start off by adding the ones together. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 and 9 is 13. We put the 3 here, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Carry that 1. We have 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8 is 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. We have a sum of 22,333. And we might get used to doing all these tally marks and not really understanding what they are. But we want to remember that each tally mark, this represents, in this case, this one right here represents 100. So we added up all of these tens. and we carried over into the hundreds. When we added up all of these hundreds, we had 1,000. This tally mark represents 1,000, and we are adding up the thousands column. And then when we add up these digits right here, we are adding up the 10,000s column. So we're kind of just breaking down these problems into tinier bits, but we don't want to forget what we're actually doing. Then we have, for 101, we have this problem. We have 485,012 plus 619,848. And for numbers with a lot of digits, it gets pretty easy to mess up and misalign your numbers. So just give yourself a little more space if you need to, just to make sure that your work's neat. So to add this up, we'll start with the ones. 2 plus 8 is 10. So we'll carry that 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 9 is 14. We have 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 is 10. We carry that extra 10,000 into the 100,000. Sorry, we carry that 100,000 into this 100,000s column. So using the commutative property of addition, I want to add 6 and 4 first because it's easier. It makes 10. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. We want to put the comma there. So after adding up these two numbers, we get 1,104,860. These are our last two problems. We have 3 addends in this case, 3 numbers that we're adding together. And using the commutative property, we can rearrange the order. So it's usually easiest to start off with the largest number first. So we'll start off with this one first, and this one second, and this one third. So when we arrange this, we can arrange it first as 24,731. And then we can add this next largest. We have 3,868. And then we can add 592. Organizing it this way allows us to align the columns more easily to keep our work neat. So we'll start off by adding in the ones column. We see 8 plus 2, that makes an easy 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I see this 1 in 9, that makes an easy 10. Well, 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 6 is 16, plus 3 is 19. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. We put the 1 here and carry the 2. We have 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And then we don't have any 10,000s to add. We just have that 2. So these 3 addends added together, we have 29,191. And for 105, we see we have 3 addends here. And we'll do the same thing, and we'll find the largest number to write down first. We have 76,000 is our largest number. We'll start off by writing 76,946. Then we have 16,570 and 8,015. We'll add the ones first. 6 plus 0 is 6, plus 5 is 11. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 0 is 15. 6 and 1 is 7, plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. We have 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So the sum is 101,531.